In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Instagram to Meta Business Suite portfolio. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to avoid the most common hiccups along the way, so your Instagram shows up where your team needs it. Before you begin, make sure you're signed into the Facebook profile that has admin access to the business you want to manage. It also helps to have your Instagram login ready, especially if you manage more than one account or use two-factor authentication. If you work across multiple businesses, take a second to confirm you're in the correct one using the business switcher at the top of Meta Business Suite. Start by opening Meta Business Suite on desktop or in the mobile app. The layout can vary a little, but the flow is the same. Once you're in the right business, look for Settings. On desktop, you'll find it in the left-hand sidebar. On mobile, tap the gear icon. This is where all your business-level connections and permissions live. Inside Settings, locate the Accounts section and choose Instagram Accounts. This is the dedicated area for managing Instagram connections to your business. Connecting here lets you schedule posts and stories, see insights alongside your Facebook assets, and give your team controlled access through roles and permissions. Now click Add. This opens a prompt that guides you through the connection. You may be asked to sign into Instagram and approve permissions so Meta Business Suite can manage content, messages, and insights for that account. If you're already logged into a personal Instagram that isn't the one you want, switch to the correct handle first. If two-factor authentication is enabled, complete the verification on your phone or email as prompted. If nothing appears, check that your browser allows pop-ups for the site and try refreshing. After you finish the prompts, you'll return to the Instagram accounts page and should see your handle listed there. Look for a connected or active status as confirmation. If you don't see it, refresh the page or reopen settings to reload the list. If the Instagram accounts option is missing, you likely don't have sufficient permissions, so ask a business admin to grant you access. If you get a message that the account is already connected to another business, it needs to be removed from that business before you add it here. And if the login keeps failing, open the Instagram app to confirm the correct password and security settings, then try the ad flow again. That's all there is to it. Open Meta Business Suite, go to Settings, select Instagram Accounts, and click Add. Follow the prompts, and your Instagram will be added to your Meta Business Suite portfolio.